Hi, so in this video, I will be discussing about the adding events, add an events to your HTML using JavaScript, no? How to do the manipulation or the validation of your uh, text. So I have here a input text, no? And then a button, which is this one, no? And then, so let's say for example, we will add a validation, no? If the number is greater than 10, or we will create ang iyang dawaton is 1 to 10 lang bitaw. So first is we will add an event, no? On click, so this is an attribute of button nga on click attribute, on which nga pag click niya execute ta og JavaScript nga function. Let's say what function? Validate. We will name validate. So this function, this is only a function name, and any function will do. Any name will do, no? And then to create a function in JavaScript, of course, it starts with the function word and then the function name. Which in our case, we have right here validate. So we will name here a validate. Para ang mahitabo ani inig-click sa button mo niyang tawagon. So tanaw na to kung matawag ba gid niya, no? Alert sa ta. This means nga kung mo execute ba gid siya. Save, refresh. So okay, so pag click niya ni print ni alert gid ni siya, no? Igawas gid siya. So we have successfully uh, execute the function on the event of this button. Okay, so right after we will add the validation. First is when click, we will get the value of this text. So to get the value, what, how, document that get element by ID. So that method, no, or that function, and then the ID sa text or kaning nga text box, no, unsa ID niya, which is number. Copy and then paste that value. Okay, so that's how you get the value of this text. And then we want to save this into a variable, no? Var num. Okay, if you remember, this is the syntax to create a variable, and then we put this value into the num variable. So let's try to print if it is working. Alert num. Save, refresh. So let's try to input a number, then check. So na-print na niyan 2. But the problem now is kung a letter or 15 dawaton niya po niya. So ang atong case is atong gusto ang iyang dawaton is 1 to 10 lang. So ana na dayon. If condition na din ta. To create a if condition in JavaScript, if num is greater than 0, no? And num is lesser than 11, then alert. What will be alert? Sa itong i-print kung 1 to 10 na input. Good number. Else. Alert. Bad number. No? So, kung yung input is not between 1 to 10, yung i-print is bad number. Kung 1 to 10 yung input, good number yung i-print. So, check na to. 0, bad number. 1, good number. 2, good number. 10, good number. 11, bad number. So, okay, so this is how you add the if condition in JavaScript. So this is a conditional operator which is greater than. Kung ang num ko nga gi-input is dako pa siya sa 0, which is 1, no? 1 to 10. And this is the kuan logical operator. And this means nga if we use and as an operator, both condition should be true. Aya niya i-execute ang sulod ani nga code block. Otherwise, execute kung false siya, execute niya ning else nga code block. Okay? Again, so kung and ang gamiton, kinahanglan kaning duha ka condition is true para i-execute niya ni. Di ba? Kani nga condition, kinahanglan true ni siya. In our case, example, mag-input og 1. This condition, if 1 is greater than 0, that is true, di ba? 1 is lesser than to 11, true gihapon. So, muna nga iyang i-print ang good number. Otherwise, kung mag-input 12, if first condition is 12 greater than 0, that is true. Is 12 lesser than 11, that is false. So, kinanglan man siya true ang duha para ma-execute ni. So, since true ni, then false, so na isa ka false, ang else yung i-print, bad number. Okay? So, that is the and. Ang other pod nga operator is the or. Ang or, isa lang ka condition true na din na siya. Execute din yan eh. Okay? So, that's the difference of and or. And this is also how you put the if statement in JavaScript. That word only, no? The syntax like that. Okay? Ingana lang. Ingani lang syntax ang if. Ang condition din nimo ibutang sa curly braces. Okay? So, if you have any question, please contact me.